All right. So again, to recap, we're going over the market Forex session time zones, the best time zones to be trading. We got the Asian consolidation, we got the London breakout, and then we got the New York reversal. Now, like I said before, each one of these horizontal lines in the background represents a day of activity in the market. So with that being said, kind of broke it down a little bit for y'all to explain it a little better. So the Asian consolidation usually lasts from 8 to 15 hours. So that means from 8 to 15 hours, depending on when you're trading, you're going to be in a lot of consolidation. And it's very important to know this because you want to know if you're in a trending market or a consolidation, because that's when you're going to make the most pips. Now, the London breakout starts exactly 10 hours after the market session. So 10 hours exactly after this line. 10 hours. That's when the London breakout is going to start. That's when that breakout right here is going to start. Before that, we in Asian consolidation. And then, like I said before, sometimes the reason I drew it like this because, like I said, 80% of the time we will get a fake out and then a breakout. And then this green line represents the New York session. So we got the Asian consolidation, then we might get our fake out and our breakout. So the reason it's a fake out because a lot of people are going to see this and they're going to sell. They're going to sell, not knowing that the overall trend is going up. They're going to sell this right here once they break out below that. Oh, they think it broke support, so they get ready to sell or either have a sell stop or whatever the case is to start selling. And then what happens? Boom, they get stomped out, and then the reversal. So now let's look at it a little more in depth. So I kind of drew it out now so y'all can see it. So the Asian consolidation, like I said, each one of these lines, remember, represents a day of activity in the background of this chart. So now, the Asian markets, remember I said the London session starts 10 hours after this. So let's get our measure stick real quick and measure this from here to 10 hours. We're a little over right there. So that means we need to adjust this. Right there. Okay. Now, as we see, our Asian consolidation, we drew it from our 10-hour mark right here. 10 hours, that's about 10 hours right there. A little over. Well, okay, y'all get the point. So we have our Asian consolidation. After the Asian consolidation, we get our London breakout. See, there was no fake out on this one. It broke right down. And after the breakout, we get our New York reversal, which is usually our pullback in New York session. And then the drop continues. Then again over here, Asian consolidation. Then we get our breakout, our London breakout. Then we get our New York reversal. And it's the same. Our Asian consolidation. Then we get a little fake out right here. You see it broke. So a lot of people start selling after it broke that Asian consolidation. A lot of people start to sell right here. They thought it was going to continue down. And instead what happened? Blue hit all their stop losses. They stop losses, yeah. And then we got our New York reversal. Back to the Asian consolidation. Break out to the fake out. Move up to the London. We didn't get a New York reversal. It kind of reversed a little bit there, but not really. Then again, Asian consolidation. Like I said, all I'm doing is drawing this with the measuring stick I'm taking it from the horizontal line, the time session line, marker line, going 10 hours over, 10 hours, find 10 hours, find the 10-hour mark. Make a box, and then usually you'll see that breakout to the downside. Once it break down to the downside, that's the fake out usually to get all those orders built up because they think it's going to keep continuing to the downside and then it shoot up. Then our consolidation back to the London, and this is the London breakout. You see it every time it's breaking out. The blue represents the breakouts. It's breaking out. And then our New York reversal. Back to the Asian consolidation. Our London breakout. You see a little fake out right here, y'all. Y'all see this little fake out right here? Where everybody thought it was going to continue down, and they started selling it right then and there, and then it blew up and hit their stops, and then continue down. And then our New York reversal. Now, this is not a trading strategy. This is just following market structure. This is not using indicators or none of that to help you figure out which way the market is moving. This is just using the market structure, the way the market's going, and knowing what time session you're trading in. Because that makes a difference what time session you're trading in. You don't want to be trading and be sitting in a whole bunch of consolidation. You know, me personally, I don't like to trade like that. I don't like to be in a trade where I'm just in a lot of consolidation. I like to get in, get my money, and get out. Checking on this trade now. See. So that's what I kind of wanted to go over Forex session times, because a lot of people are not aware of this. Looking at the chart and knowing when to trade, because now the most important I would say is the Asian consolidation. The reason is because you want to be ready for the Asian consolidation, because once that breakout happens, you want to be looking for your retest so you can get in. So you always want to be looking at the consolidation. This consolidation is very important because that's going to signal you. That's going to also signal you which way the market is going. So with that being said, I'm going to